Okay, welcome back everybody. My name's Alan Keeler with Frigi-Tech. Now we're going to be installing on another vehicle. This is a 2003 Infinity G35. It's got 167,000 miles on it. We've had it running for a while now. Got the air conditioner on max, blowing as cold as it can get. About 75 to 77 degrees outside. And this vehicle should be a lot easier to get to and install as compared to the big truck that you saw earlier. So let's take a look and see where we're going to be installing. Okay, now I want to show you about some of the parts that we're going to be using. First, you're going to have the 8-ounce cartridge. It comes with a standard refrigerant hose, and it's got a fitting for home use. All we do is remove this fitting, which allows you to purge the hose. It pushes the Schrader valve in. And we are going to take this coupling, it's a quick connect coupling for automotive design. If you look at it, it's shaped just like the fitting for an air compressor hose. This goes on. And just screws into place. Now with this, we can see the two service ports. The high side service port and the low side service port. Again, this adapter is only designed to fit on the low side service port. But in case you're unsure, notice the diameter of the line size between the two. Small and thin is the high pressure, bigger and fatter is the low side. So, let's go inside, check the vent temperatures, and then we'll install the Frigi-Tech in this system. Okay, we are now inside the Infinity G35. We have an outside temperature of 77 degrees. The car is on 60, blowing as cold as it can go. And now we will move in and see the vent temperature. And right now it currently seems to be bouncing 43.3 to 43.7 or 43.1. It's just jumping all over the place. So basically, let's just take it and say it's blowing at 43 degrees. Okay, we're going to remove the cap on the low side service port. You can see how quick and simple that one went on. And now, we're just simply going to install an ounce of Frigi-Tech into this compressor. There we have the final ounce installed out of this 8-ounce compressor or cylinder cartridge. Pop this off. Put the cap back on. And now you can see how quick and simple it is to install the Frigi-Tech. We'll give it about 10 minutes to run through the car, and then we'll go back inside and check it. Okay. We're back in the car. It's been 10 minutes since we first started taking the temperature reading. The outside temperature is still 77 degrees. Inside the car, all the settings are exactly the same. And we can see when we come back here, I will zoom in on the vent temperature. We're showing 41.5 degrees. So you can see in just a matter of 10 minutes, we've been able to reduce the supply temperature 2 degrees. And it's starting to drop and will continue to drop. So what we'll do is we'll come back on another day and measure and see exactly how much colder this car has gotten after about a week's worth of driving. And ending here at 41 degrees on the nose. So 2.5 degrees. This concludes the installation on the 2003 Infinity G35. As you can see, not only does it not take any time to install it, it takes almost no time to begin to see the effects on the car, and they will continue to improve the longer it drives and gets circulated through and gets rid of that oil fouling. We're going to try to come back in about a week's time if we can match the same temperatures and see just how much more of an improvement we've gotten on this Infinity. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to email us and we'll be happy to answer.